omega-3. You don't need but you just want enough that it's not going to stick. So good with sugar, salt, spices, onion, garlic, yellow mustard seeds, and paprika. I mean, it's a great combination. And I tend to do a relatively...
Is it spicy?
It's not hot.
Okay.
It's not hot.
Okay.
It's not hot. It's going to give it this, makes it more like a crust. Okay. This is the thickest piece, so I'm going to probably put this in. And see how I put the thick toward the middle? Touch it. You don't touch it. And that heat is up. In the center, in the thickest part, you see that it's turning the color halfway up. Is probably a great point. And so there are two things. So you want that bottom side down right. You don't want it burned. You want it nice and dark and crispy. But you also, want it cooked enough and soft. And so that's kind of the dance. There's not a perfect science this, but it gives you a good indication. You don't want to flip it until at least halfway from the bottom appears cooked.
Okay, I got it.
Let's see. Ooh, that's getting pretty good. See, it's got a nice brown on there. All right, I'm going to flip this one. But that's a great, nice crispy there.
Only work in a cast iron?
Oh, any heavy skillet.